Why you should read more to improve your English. Hello everyone. Today, I want to talk to you about something very simple but very powerful: reading. Reading is one of the best and easiest ways to improve your English. I know that many people feel reading is boring, or too hard, or too slow, but I want to show you that reading can actually be fun, useful, and full of amazing surprises. When you read more, your English will grow in ways you cannot imagine. Let me start by saying this: English is not something you can learn in one day or 1 week. It takes time, it takes practice, it takes love and patience. And reading is one of the best ways to practice every day. When you read, you don't just learn new words. You also learn how those words are used. You see grammar in action. You hear the rhythm of the language in your mind. You understand ideas in English instead of just translating from your own language. Reading slowly changes the way you think. And one day, you realize you can understand things without even trying. When you first started learning English, you was afraid of reading. You thought the words were too difficult, and you didn't understand most of what you saw. But then you started reading small things, short stories, simple books, even song lyrics or short articles online. At first, it was slow. You needed to check the dictionary all the time. But the more I read, the easier it became. You started to notice that many words repeat again and again. Your brain began to remember them naturally. And little by little, you started to enjoy reading. Reading gives you freedom. You can read anywhere, on the bus, before bed, at lunch, or while waiting for a friend. You don't need a teacher. You don't need a class. You just need a little time and something that interests you. You can read stories, news, books, comics, recipes, travel blogs, or anything that makes you curious. The more you read, the more confident you feel. You begin to think, "Hey, I can understand this," and that small success pushes you to read more. Reading also helps your speaking and writing. You might not notice it at first, but when you read a lot, your brain collects words and sentences. Later, when you speak or write, those words come out naturally. You don't have to force them. You don't have to memorize long lists. Reading teaches you how real English sounds, not just textbook English. That's why reading is so powerful. It gives you language that lives and breathes. Another great thing about reading is that it teaches you more than just English. It teaches you about the world. When you read stories, you learn about people from different countries, cultures, and ways of life. You learn how others think, what they feel, what they dream about. You start to understand that English is not just a language. It's a bridge to connect with millions of people around the world. You can travel through books even if you never leave your home. Sometimes people say, "I don't have time to read." But the truth is, you don't need a lot of time. You just need to make reading a habit. Even 10 minutes a day is enough if you do it every day. It's like exercise for your brain. You don't need to run a marathon. Just take small steps. Read 1 page, then 2, then 5. Soon, you'll realize you can read longer texts easily. The secret is not reading fast, it's reading often. When you read, choose something you enjoy. Don't force yourself to read boring books just because they are famous or because someone told you to. If you like love stories, read love stories. If you like science, read about science. If you like sports, read about your favorite players or teams. The best book for you is the one that keeps you turning the pages. When reading feels fun, it doesn't feel like studying anymore. If you find a word you don't understand, don't worry, you don't have to know every word. Try to guess the meaning from the sentence. Most of the time, you can understand the main idea even if you miss a few details. Later, if you really want to know the word, you can look it up. But remember, reading is not a test. It's a journey. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep going. Reading also helps with pronunciation. You might think, "But I'm not speaking when I read." That's true, but when you read, your brain still hears the words inside. If you read aloud, it's even better. Your mouth and ears learn to work together. You start to hear how sentences rise and fall, how stress and rhythm work. Reading aloud is like training your voice for English. I know that sometimes it feels hard to stay motivated. You start reading for a few days, then stop because you feel lazy or busy. That happens to everyone, but remember this. Every page you read is a small step forward. Even if you read just one short article today, that's still progress. Don't compare yourself to others. Just keep moving at your own pace. One good way to stay motivated is to set a small goal. For example, tell yourself, "I will read for 10 minutes every night before bed." Or, "I will finish one English book this month." When you reach your goal, feel proud of yourself. You earned it. Then set a new goal. A little bigger. The more you do it, the stronger your reading habit becomes. Another way to make reading fun is to talk about what you read. Tell your friends about a story you liked or a new word you learned. You can even post about it online. When you share what you read, it helps you remember it better. It also inspires others to start reading too. Reading can become something you do together, not alone. If you are afraid of making mistakes, remember this. Mistakes are part of learning. Everyone makes them. When you read, you are not being judged. Nobody is watching. You can relax. You can read slowly, repeat sentences, or read the same book again and again. Every time you read it, you understand more. I truly believe that reading is like a superpower for learning English. It's cheap, it's easy, and it works. You don't need to travel abroad. You don't need expensive classes. All you need is curiosity and a little time every day. Reading opens doors to knowledge, imagination, and opportunity. It helps you dream bigger and think deeper. Imagine this. You read an article about technology, and you learn new words. Later, you hear the same words in a movie, and you understand them. Then you use them in your writing or speaking. That's how reading connects everything. It builds your English like bricks building a strong wall, one brick at a time. So today, I want to invite you to start reading more in English. Don't wait for tomorrow. Pick something simple and start today. It can be a short story, a blog, a song lyric, or even a page from a children's book. Just start. You don't have to finish it fast. Enjoy it. Let your mind play with the words. The more you read, the more confident you become. Your vocabulary grows. Your grammar improves without you even noticing. You start to think in English. And most importantly, you feel proud of yourself. That feeling, the feeling of progress, is one of the best gifts reading can give you. So my message is simple. Read more. Every day. Even just a little. Read what you love. Don't be afraid. Every page is a step closer to the English you dream of. Reading is not only about learning a language. It's about discovering yourself and the world around you. If you keep reading, your English will get better. But more than that, you will become someone who loves learning. Someone who is curious. Someone who keeps growing. Reading will not only improve your English, it will improve your life. Thank you so much for listening. And if you found this message helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.